Does Breaker Row have good case hits in it? I forgot. All right, guys, here we go. Going through the team owners over here. This is baseball jersey break 2-boxer number 3C Hit Parade Series 4. Rolling through the team owners, we got D-backs going to Marty. Atlanta going to IPF. Baltimore going to Terry Thurm. Boston going to Ada Anthony. Chicago going to Slutsky. White Sox going to Brandon. Reds going to JK. Indians going to Pens. Rockies going to Patrick N. Tigers Quintaro. Astros Pete. Royals JTAC. Angels IPF. Dodge going to Pat. Miami JK. Brew Crew Pete. Twins Brandon. AK Tall and Dark. Mets going to La Rosa. Yankees Teo. Oaktown going to Scotty M. Beef. Philly Spears. Pirates JTAC. Padres Bucks. Giants going to D'Antonio. Mariners JTAC. Cardinals going to D'Antonio. Texas Rangers Hearn. Toronto Dale. Warlock Nationals IPF. All right, let me see if anybody's got. Let's see. All right, there we go. All right, guys, good luck. You can ask Penzito, for those that weren't here a while ago. If I went like this on the plastic enough times, there was this guy that used to trip hard. I mean, he would trip. Good luck, guys. Oh, what do we got here? Ooh, Fred Lynn. All-Star. Hall of Famer, Fred Lynn. For the Red Sox. Nice, Freddie Lynn. I still have a lot of cards from Fred. And Boston. Going to Anthony. Nice jersey, man. BOS. I just like it coming off easy. So much easier. Good luck, everybody. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! It is licensed. It is a licensed jersey. Majestic. AJ Cert. Going to Warlock. That is sick, bro. I'm going to take it out. I'll have it on the plastic, Dale. The auto. Where's the auto? Oh, there it is. Sorry for those who did not win a jersey. Going to Warlock. Very nice. Sorry for those that did not win one, of course. I think I've got 4 more boxes left. So we'll probably double break tomorrow. All right, thank you guys. Multiple breaks on sale, guys. Clearing them out.